Hey everybody, it's Zei here from the Zei PC YouTube channel. Oh, and thank you guys so much for 10.1k subscribers. I made this post. I stated that I'll never become a PDF. I'm too cool and racist for that. Also, I'm not actually racist. I just say shit like that to like get canceled. Like, I'll say every racial slur in existence, but I won't actually hate anybody. But I will never in my life get a cupcake. So in today's video, I'm going to be installing the quote-unquote best Linux distro. I think the title and the thumbnail is kind of clickbait. I need to feed my cat. Before we start the video though, let's go ahead and fast fetch. Because if I don't fast fetch, you guys are going to be canceling me. I didn't fast fetch on my last video, and you guys were mad at me, and you guys were like starting a freaking riot in the comments. So there. Oh, and a lot of you have been asking me how I make my ASCII art. Literally, I just searched cat ASCII art and I copied it. So today we're going to be installing this OS called, this Nyarch Linux.moe. The perfect Linux distribution for degenerated weebs. I'm not really a weeb. I've watched quite a few animes, but I wouldn't really consider myself a weeb. My favorite anime of all time is Cowboy Bebop. I watched it a while ago. I'm an unk, I know. Enhance your weeb flow with our pre-installed applications. Nyarch Linux offers the best open source apps that every weeb needs pre-installed, whatever these are. Catgirl downloader. Wait, dude, the video title and thumbnail might not be that clickbait, because I'm pretty sure there is some really sussy stuff here. I've never tried this out, but I am 9 out of 10 sure that there's gonna be some sussy stuff. Nyarch Assistant. Yeah, I think there's gonna be pretty sussy stuff here as well. Nyarch Assistant is more than just a digital assistant. She's your cute I'm not gonna read that. Material ooh. Choose any waifu as your wallpaper. Damn, bro, they have like a set of waifu anime wallpapers? That's crazy. Nyarch Customize lets you quickly customize your desktop. You can choose your favorite layout, enable very cool animations. Weebs love animations. What animations? Even has jiggle physics. Easy app install. Has FlatHub. Wait, isn't this based on Arch? You can have access to the Arch Linux AUR. I don't really know why you really need Flatpak. Semi-rolling release. Yeah, it's based on Arch. Alright, without further ado, let's just download the best Linux distro of all time. The text is so visible, I can barely see the background, I swear to God. Just want Nyarch customizations on another distro. Try Nyarcher? They really need to make the text more visible, bro. This script aims to give the most similar experience to Nyarch Linux on any Linux distribution. Oh, I can install Nyarcher instead of the Nyarch Linux ISO if I wanted to. And I can make CachyOS look like Nyarch. You know, since we're distro hopping every few weeks, I've been using CachyOS for like what? Almost 2 weeks now. Goodbye CachyOS. It's been so good. I really love this OS, but we have other and more important things to do. Oh yeah, I did also make a home server to the people who comment, bro, make a home server. I did make a home server. It's a Minecraft server. I haven't had the time to make the video for it yet, but I use that instead of using Aternos or other free hosting programs that have a billion ads. Anyways, let's just download the Nyarch ISO. My USB is actually only 3.7 gigabytes. So let's see how big is the Nyarch ISO. There's SourceForge here. I'm pretty sure I can find like older versions of it with less size. Damn, 4.2 gigabytes. That's so huge. Oh, old versions. I think I can install this one. Yep, I can install this one. So let's wait till this finishes downloading. I'll see you guys when it finishes downloading. Alright, so it's actually done downloading. I waited a few hours actually because I had to do something and I left my PC running. But anyways, let's do lsblk. My disk is dev sdc1. I kind of like using sudo dd instead of ventoy. I don't know why. See you guys when it finishes flashing to my USB. I think I might get canceled pretty soon. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the boot section. So boot option 1 is this, which is PicaOS. Let's just switch this to my USB. Whoa. Alright, we're in. Let's just go ahead and boot into Nyarch. Well, it does use the same installer as CachyOS and EndeavorOS, I'm pretty sure. It knows where I live. That's great. I don't think I want to erase my PicaOS. Let's just do install alongside. Yeah. Alright, hopefully nothing goes wrong here. Let's just install now. Yo, we are on Nyarch Linux. Let's just log into my user. Alright, everybody, we're on Nyarch. We have this, which is the Nyarch welcome, I'm pretty sure. Nyarch Linux is based on Arch Linux that aims to create the best experience possible for weebs. I can open the website here, but we're just going to click next. Material U. Choose any waifu as your wallpaper. Oh yeah. And Nyarch uses GNOME. I'm not the biggest fan of GNOME when I'm on PCs, but nah, anyways. Whoa, that is a bunch of wallpapers. It's actually kind of less than I anticipated. I thought there was going to be like a whole freaking folder of just wallpapers, but it's just these. Right now we have, I'm pretty sure this one. Let's change it to Arch-chan. I think I like this one. Yeah. Yo, so like when I changed the wallpaper, my desktop crashed. Not sure why that happens, but Alright, so back to the Nyarch tour. I thought there would be like a whole freaking folder full of these weeb wallpapers, but turns out there's only a few. I kind of like this one though. I don't know why. I just kind of like it. Nyarch Customize. Change your layout quickly and customize animations and appearance. So right now I have the bottom panel, but you can also set it to the default GNOME panel. But I think this looks pretty clean though. It also has the Arch logo, as you can see. Need advanced customization? You can customize your operating system more by editing configuration in GNOME Tweaks. Just use the extension manager if you ever want to customize it. They have like a bunch of extensions here, and yeah, it's kind of bloated. I'm not even gonna lie. Dash to panel. Oh yeah, it's this. Dash to panel is like the bottom bar. Dash to dock. Cat girl downloader. Oh my god. What the frick have I downloaded? Let's open it. Guys? Dude, what? Kind of regretting my decision on downloading Nyarch. Literally disconnecting my brain cells. Well, let's hit refresh. I'm not attracted to these, okay? Like, I don't... Do people find this appealing? I personally don't. I think this is weird, and this is degenerate. I mean, you do you, I guess. Preferences. Oh, nah. We're not gonna be enabling. What if I do enable that? Nope, nope, nope. Waifu downloader. I'm pretty sure I can't even... Yeah, see, it doesn't even load because my country blocks the website, I'm pretty sure. And I'm pretty sure if we hit the 3 dots, yeah. I'm never opening Waifu Downloader or Catgirl Downloader. If you find this shit appealing, I'm sorry. Not sorry. You're weird. Read manga with Komiku. Komiku is an amazing open source application to read manga from the internet. Am I gonna get copyrighted for this? I don't know what these are because I've never really like read any comics. I'm not the biggest fan of like this. This is like incel stuff. Bro, I swear to God, what the frick is this? I think I'll get copyrighted if I open one of these, right? Oh, wait. What the frick? Dude, what? This is so... Okay, I don't know if I can read this. Like, it's so small. Listen to your favorite weeb radio with Shortwave. Shortwave is an internet radio player that provides access to a station database with over 30,000 stations. Oh, wait. I think this is like a normal radio app, but here, this person is playing anime radio. Yeah, it's like a normal radio app. I'm a pretty big fan of jazz. Oh, yeah, this is a pretty normal radio station. Download torrents with fragments. Yeah, this is just a normal BitTorrent client. Nothing really sussy about it. Yeah, there's nothing really sussy about this client. Listen to music with Lollipop. Lollipop is an amazing what? This is a typo? Light white? Really interesting language. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'll get copyrighted if I play music, so we're not going to be covering this. Turn your favorite streaming websites into apps. Oh, you can make web apps. You can also do that with Chromium browsers, but yeah, if you want to make a web app, this is pretty cool. Need other apps? Download your favorite applications from a vast catalog of applications using GNOME software. This is like the Microsoft Store GNOME version. Nyarch Wizard will suggest you some software. Oh, this is just basic apps that you might need. Office work. If you do office work using Nyarch Linux, you're crazy. You're one crazy MF. Okay, I can understand gaming. Oh, you know what? Actually, I'm gonna install Blender because I'm gonna edit this video after this. Let's just install it. They have Logsec here. Let's go. My favorite note-taking app. I use Nyarch, by the way. Wait a minute. We have included Fetch. Fetch. 1,000 packages already. Wow, bloated. Mutter Wayland. Is Mutter like the desktop environment, but it's called Mutter? Check out Nyarch scripts. Oh, this is for people who are afraid to use the terminal. Your dream waifu at your command. This was the thing that I've been waiting for. Nyarch Assistant. It's called Nyarch Assistant. The neural network has access to any data in this chat. Be careful. We are not responsible for neural network. That is scary. I just leaked where I live. The responses here are pretty interesting. I'm gonna touch you. You know, whenever you guys comment, I always reply with I'm gonna touch you, right? You know, I would copy what the Nyarch assistant is saying and try to mimic the voice, but my voice is just a bit too deep for that, so... What? Baka? Don't you dare. And this face. I'm just a program you... Also, it has access to my folders. Like, this OS is a joke OS. I kind of want to see how smart Nyarch is. Can you solve... plus... Whoa, it's actually solving the math problem. The exact number is huge! But there's the approximate result. Okay, that's valid. I don't even know if that's the actual result, but yeah. So that's basically Nyarch. Yeah, Nyarch is basically Arch with bloat and customizations. Guys, you know what? I think I'm gonna go back to CachyOS. Frick you, Nyarch.